Hand loaders, bullet casters, and shooters, welcome back to my range. And truth be told, ever since I put these little small wood grips on it, this thing kind of kicks in some kind of way. That might be why I haven't shot it in quite a while, folks. But you know what? I'm willing to find out again today what I think about it. But in the meantime, I've got my little old school chronograph, a little bit of a target board back there on my backstop, and got my little old school, almost Star Trek first generation style remote head for it. So I'm gonna throw a camera right up here on my hat brim, and you're gonna kind of get my view as well. And if I can get through this without any type of equipment failure today, folks, that's gonna be a success in itself. I've got another camera down there next to my target, so that camera could end up getting shot. My chronograph could end up getting shot. We're just gonna find out, and Lord willing, we're all gonna walk away with our equipment intact. Make sure my other camera's on. Guys, this is the most underrated gun at the range. Yeah. .713.2. I do like the single action on this particular gun quite a bit. I likes that top right I see. 654.4. .703.4. That gets us all right there, kind of the top right. Oh, by the way, $6.99. I can't even remember what I loaded them with. I just know that they're good for the Bulldog because that's what my Bulldog was put up with. LeadSmith out.